Hello friends, the online lecture series. SND College of Engineering and Research Center Yeola, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer. The subject of Object Oriented Programming. Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. In this lecture, topic will be covered of Introduction to OOP Paradigm. Methods. Methods are functions that belongs to the class. There are two ways to define functions that belong to a class: inside class definition and outside class definition. First, inside class definition is class example, access specifier, void add, method defining inside class, main function, example object, object dot add, return is 0. Outside class definition, class example, public method declare inside class, main function, object will be created and return 0. Message, objects communicate with one another by sending and receiving information to each other. A message for an object is a request for execution of procedure and therefore will invoke a function in receiving objects that generates the desired result. For example, employee salary, name, object message and information. Data encapsulation. Encapsulation is object oriented programming concept that binds together the data and function that manipulate the data and that keeps both safe from outside interface and misissue. Data abstraction. Data abstraction referred to providing only essential information to the outside world and hiding their backgrounds details. That is, to represent the needed information in program without presenting in details. Data hiding is an object-oriented programming technique of hiding internal object details, that is, data members. Fundamental of object-oriented programming, data hiding, abstraction. Process that ensure execute data access to class member and provide object integrity by preventing unintegrated or unintended changes. Abstraction in OOP concept that hide the implementation details and show only the functionality to the user. Focuses on protecting data. Focusing on hiding the complexity of the system. Help to secure data, help to the implementation detail and display only the functionality to the user. Inheritance. Inheritance is a process in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of its parent object automatically. In C++, the class which inherits the member of another class is called derived class, and the class whose members are inherited is called base class. Types of inheritance. There are 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, hybrid inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Example of inheritance: base class. Class is vehicle, public, string brand equal to Tata, void home, count is the print. And derived class is class car, public vehicle, public string, integer में car, my car is the object will be created and then print. Polymorphism. The word polymorphism means having many forms. In simple word, we can define polymorphism as the ability to of a message to be displayed in more than one form. A person at the same time can have different characteristics, like a man at same time is a father, a husband, and employee. So the same person possesses different behavior in different solution. This is called as polymorphism. It takes place when there is hierarchy of classes and they are related by inheritance. Types of inheritance. There are 2 types of inheritance. Types of polymorphism: compile time and runtime. Compile time polymorphism 2 types: method overloading and operator overloading, and runtime is a virtual function. Thank you friends for watching this video.